Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then now evaluation of the optic nerve head. So how are we going to evaluate the optic nerve head? Optic nerve head can be evaluated by two ways. Okay, that is fundus examination or optic nerve head can be evaluated either by direct ophthalmoscopy or by slit lamp fundoscopy. In slit lamp fundoscopy, we use the lens mainly. So what lens are used? Non-contact lens or contact lens can be used. In non-contact lens, we have negative type and positive type. Negative type is Ruby lens, which have a power of minus 58.6 diopters, or we can also use plus lens, which are plus 60, plus 78 and plus 90 diopter lens. So these are non-contact lens, whereas contact lens used in slit lamp fundoscopy are Goldman's and Roderstock are the contact lens used in slit lamp biomicroscopy.
thank you and thank you for watching.